Have you ever called customer service for help?
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about calling customer service.
You'll learn useful phone expressions, polite questions, and everyday English.
Let's begin.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Thank you for joining us today.
Before we begin, please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave a comment if you enjoy learning English with us.
Let's improve our English together.
Hello, thank you for calling customer service. How can I help you today?
Hello, I need some help with my online order.
Of course. Can you tell me what happened?
I ordered a pair of shoes last week, but I haven't received them yet.
I'm sorry to hear that.
That's okay. I just want to know where my package is.
I'll be happy to check for you.
Thank you.
May I have your order number, please?
Yes, it's 458921.
Thank you. Please wait a moment while I check.
Sure.
Thank you for waiting.
No problem.
I found your order.
Great.
It looks like your package was delayed because of bad weather.
Oh, I understand.
It should arrive in 2 days.
That's good news.
Can I confirm your delivery address?
Yes.
Is your address 25 Green Street?
Yes, that's correct.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Your phone number ends with 8831. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect.
Can I track my package online?
Yes, you can.
How do I do that?
I'll send you a tracking link by email.
That would be very helpful.
You'll receive it in a few minutes.
Thank you so much. What should I do if my package doesn't arrive?
Please call us again.
Okay,
We can also start an investigation.
I see.
Don't worry, we'll do our best to help you.
I really appreciate that.
Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Actually, yes.
Go ahead.
I want to change the size of my shoes.
Have you received the package yet?
No, not yet.
Let me check if it's still possible.
Okay.
Good news, we can change your order before it is delivered.
Really?
Yes.
That's wonderful.
What size would you like?
Size 42, please.
Done.
Thank you.
Would you like to receive a confirmation email?
Yes, please.
I'll send it right away.
Great.
You'll receive it in your inbox later today.
I will. Your customer service is very good.
Thank you for your kind words.
You explained everything clearly.
I'm glad I could help.
I was worried before I called.
That's understandable.
Now I feel much better.
I'm happy to hear that.
Do many people call customer service every day?
Yes, we receive many calls.
What do people usually ask about?
Delivery, payments, returns, and account problems.
That sounds busy.
It is, but we enjoy helping our customers.
That's nice.
Have you ever called customer service before?
Yes, but I was nervous.
Many people feel that way.
I didn't know what to say.
That's why practicing English conversations is helpful.
I agree.
The more you practice, the more confident you'll become.
I'll keep practicing every day.
Before we finish, let me summarize your order.
Okay.
Your package should arrive in 2 days.
Great.
Your shoe size has been changed to size 42.
Perfect.
You'll receive 2 emails today.
One for the tracking link and one for the order update.
Exactly.
Wonderful.
Thank you for calling customer service. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you for your help. Goodbye.
Goodbye, and thank you for listening to today's English conversation.
Keep practicing English every day, and we'll see you in the next lesson.